Let's explore a few different ways you can deploy agents inside of your product. The first pattern is a connector, which lets you surface your app inside of other apps. So, for example, if this is your product, it sits alongside all of the other apps that your customers use every day. Connectors let you surface your app inside of those other apps. For example, inside of ChatGPT, you can invoke a variety of other apps. So in this example, you could get a text-based playlist, or you can invoke Spotify directly to get an interactive playlist. The second pattern is the inverse of the first. So instead of invoking your app inside of other products, you can invoke other products inside of your app. Linear is a great example of this. So it's a project tracking software that you can manage tasks with your team and assign it to different people, and you can invoke a variety of other apps here, including Cursor, which is an AI coding tool. So if you have a bug, you can mention Cursor and ask it to check it out for you, and it will go through and diagnose the issue. And you can actually treat Cursor just like another member of your team, assigning issues and delegating different tasks to it. The third pattern is asynchronous. These are agents that run at their own cadence. For example, you could have an agent that regularly checks your database and looks for interesting patterns or insights. It can run at a set interval. Maybe it does it every day in the morning or every week. And then whenever it finds something interesting, it'll surface that insight to you in the interface. A product that does this is Narrative BI. So they will regularly check your data, and then it creates a news feed of stories about your data for you. The fourth pattern is embedded. This is just when agentic actions show up naturally inside of your interface. So one example at Bamboo is, let's say you need to create a new job opening at your company for let's say a CX Ops Manager. When you get down here to the job description step, you can either write it yourself or invoke AI to do it for you. It'll check what you've input on the form, as well as other job postings that you've created in the past, and craft a job description for you. The fifth is conversational. This is just where you use natural language to tell the AI exactly what you need, and it takes action on it. So for example, inside of ChatGPT, I could say, every Monday morning, find the best flights from New York City to Seattle that week. And the final pattern is an operator. So this is an AI that sits inside of your app, and you can chat with it and ask it to do things for you. A great example of this is Airtable. So I've got my table here, and say I want to add a new column here. I can tell the AI to do that for me. If I say, add a column that calculates the number of days between kickoff and launch. All right, so it has added this new column, shows me what it did. I can save it here, and it calculates the days for me. So we've looked at 6 different patterns. The first 2 are connectors that let you connect your app to other products. The second are embedded, so agentic actions that just show up naturally inside of your interface. And then the third are conversational, so using natural language to get things done.